going to show you what to do when you have a dead screen. My car is running, but the screen is just dead. Doesn't turn on, nothing. I'm going to show you what I do to get it working again. Alright, so while the car is on, I'm going to go pull the radio fuse. I'll show you where that is. In your trunk, you have this fuse box right here. Open it up. Like this. You want to pull this fuse right here. This one. Second one. And the fuse is out. This is the one I pulled right here. I made the mistake of turning the car off, then putting the fuse back in. Just let the car run, pull it out, and put it back in. Well, that didn't work, so I'm going to pull it out again. So put it right back in after pulling it out while the car is running. Maybe that's what I did. If you don't get your SRT pages back, you have to do the thing where you hold these for 10 seconds while it's an accessory or run. I'm honestly not 100% sure. Sometimes I'll just cycle it. Look up other videos for that thing, but that helps with the dead screen. It works for me every time. Why it does it, I don't know. It's annoying, but there's a solution at least.